Welcome to the world of creative coconut shell art, where creativity knows no bounds and beauty is chiseled into existence. Coconut shell craft, ideas you can try. From bowls and birdhouses to jewelry and wind chimes, coconut shell craft can add a natural and unique touch to your home or garden. With some creativity and skill, you can transform these humble shells into beautiful and valuable works of art. You can refer to the following coconut shell craft ideas in this video. Some of coconut shell craft ideas. Here are some common examples of coconut shell crafts. Coconut shell cups and bowls. Coconut shells can be carved and polished to create cups and bowls, which are both aesthetically pleasing and practical for serving food and beverages. Coconut shell jewelry. Artisans use coconut shells to make various types of jewelry, such as earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and pendants. The shells can be carved, painted, or combined with other materials to create unique and stylish pieces. Coconut shell candle holders. Hollowed-out coconut shells can serve as natural and rustic candle holders. They can be embellished with intricate designs or left in their natural state for a more organic look. Coconut shell home decor. Decorative items like wall hangings, coasters, and keychains can be crafted from coconut shells. These pieces often feature intricate carvings or paintings, showcasing the artisan's creativity. Coconut shell planters. Cut and shaped coconut shells can be used as planters for small indoor plants or succulents. They add a touch of nature to any living space. Coconut shell sculptures. Some skilled artists create intricate sculptures using coconut shells, showcasing their talent in transforming a simple material into a work of art. Coconut shell lampshades. The semi-translucent property of coconut shells allows for the creation of beautiful lampshades. When illuminated, they produce a warm and soothing glow. To create coconut shell crafts, artisans typically start by cleaning and drying the shells. They then use various tools, such as saws, knives, and drills, to shape and carve the shells into their desired forms. After the crafting process, the shells may be polished, painted, or coated with natural oils to enhance their appearance and durability. Materials: coconut shell, sandpaper, saw, drill, spoon, dish soap, water, cloth or paper towel. Instructions: start by cutting the coconut shell in half using a saw. Be sure to cut it as straight as possible to ensure a flat bottom for your bowl. Use sandpaper to smooth the coconut shell's edges and create a level surface. Flip the coconut shell over so that the concave side is facing up. Use a drill to make a small hole in the center of the shell, and then use a saw to cut a circle around the hole. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh and any remaining fibers inside the coconut shell. Rinse it with dish soap and water to remove any debris. Dry the coconut shell thoroughly with a cloth or paper towel. Sand the inside of the shell until it is smooth. Apply coconut oil or food-safe sealant to the inside of the bowl to protect it and give it a shiny finish. Your coconut bowl is now ready to use. You can use it as a decorative piece or serve snacks, salads, or other food items. Coconut shells for birds. Coconut shells are suitable for creating bird crafts, such as birdhouses and bird feeders. Here are some steps to make a birdhouse using a coconut shell. Materials: coconut shell, drill, jute twine or string, scissors, small stick or dowel, bird seed or suet. Instructions: start by cleaning and drying the coconut shell. Cut it in half using a saw, and sand the edges to smooth them. Using a drill, make a small hole near the top of the coconut shell on both sides. These will attach the jute twine or string to hang the birdhouse. Cut a piece of jute twine or rope to the desired length for hanging. Thread it through one of the holes and tie a knot at the end to secure it. Repeat on the other side. Cut a trim stick or dowel to the width of the coconut shell, and place it inside the shell to create a perch for the birds. Fill the coconut shell with bird seed or suet, and hang it where birds can easily access it. With some creativity, you can add some decorative elements to the coconut shell birdhouse, such as painting it or adding beads or shells to the jute twine. This is a fun and eco-friendly craft and provides a cozy home and food source for our feathered friends. Coconut shell candle holder. Cut a hole in the top of the coconut shell and scoop out the flesh. Place a small candle inside and use it as a decorative candle holder. Coconut candle bowls wholesale. Our coconut candle bowls exemplify our commitment to delivering top quality and sustainable options that cater to your business requirements. Meticulously crafted, These candle bowls are made from natural coconut shells, showcasing the inherent beauty and durability of this renewable resource. Whether you manage a retail store, spa, or event planning business, our coconut candle bowls are designed to elevate both the visual appeal of your products and your commitment to sustainability. Crafted with precision, our coconut candle bowls in wholesale undergo a detailed process to ensure their longevity and quality. The coconut shells are carefully cleaned, shaped, and polished to maintain their structural integrity and unique charm. Key features: competitive wholesale pricing. We offer competitive pricing to ensure you receive excellent value for your investment. Customization flexibility. Recognizing the importance of branding, we provide customization options to align with your business identity. Natural elegance. Each candle bowl celebrates the organic beauty of coconut shells, adding a touch of nature to your candle displays. Versatile usage. Our candle bowls are suitable for a variety of candle types, creating a serene ambience for different occasions. Eco-friendly choice. Crafted from natural coconut shells, our candle bowls are a sustainable option that resonates with eco-conscious consumers. Coconut shell planter. Cut the coconut in half and fill it with soil. Plant small succulents or other plants inside the shell for a unique and natural planter. How to use coconut husk for plants. Steps to handle it. Coconut husks are an eco-friendly material widely applied in the agriculture and producing handicraft products. Coconut shells with many good properties, such as moisturizing, anti-dot erosion, and making the soil porous, are used to plant trees. Coconut shell jewelry. Cut the shell into small pieces and use it to make jewelry such as necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Coconut shell wind chimes. Drill small holes in the coconut shell and thread string or fishing line through them. Hang the shell pieces from a stick or branch to create a beautiful wind chime. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make creative coconut shell art. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more art-related content. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!